Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to a classic Las Vegas appetizer that was served nightly at the famous Villa d'Este. Back in the 1970s, mob bosses, celebrities, and Vegas high rollers all came here for this incredible dish. Today, I'm showing you how to make it right at home, so stick around and let's get cooking.
That's right, we're making old school classic baked scampi from an old school restaurant that is now called Piero's, if you ever come to Vegas. But I don't know if they serve this dish or not. Anyways, you're going to be making it at home, so you don't care. You got an 8x8 glass pan out. Hit it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the bottom. Now I've got a 1/4 cup of melted butter, about 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry, and about 2 cloves of garlic that I've minced. And I'm going to pour that right into the pan, just like that. And we're going to get all that garlic out of there that didn't want to come out. And then we'll use our little brush there and spread everything evenly about. And I'm using 16 to 12 per pound jumbo shrimp. I've already cleaned, deveined, taken the shells off, so they are ready to go. So once we get this spread about, we're going to layer in our shrimp, just like so. And make sure we get everything covered nicely, the bottom, so they all fit nice and tight before we go to the next process, which is the seasoning part. And for that, you're going to need celery salt, white pepper, and some red pepper flake. You're also going to need some breadcrumbs, preferably Italian flavored breadcrumbs. And put a stick of butter in the freezer. That's right, you heard me right. So we're going to hit it lightly with some white pepper. Then we'll hit it lightly with some celery salt. Just like that. And we'll come back with some red pepper flake. You can skip this if you want, but it's really not that much that's really going to put a lot of heat in you. But it's up to you. And next we're going to need 1 lemon and a microplane, because we're going to zest 1 lemon right over the top of all that shrimp. That is the magic touch right there. That's what separates this from everybody else. I'm telling you. Do not skip this process. So once we get this all zested up, we're going to come back with our Italian breadcrumbs. But in the meantime, if I could get you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, hit that thumbs up, hit that hype. Tell everybody you know about the channel. I really appreciate y'all very much. And you're really helping me grow, and I am happy. Thank you very much. So, we're just about done zesting the shrimp. Come back with some fresh Italian parsley right on top. And reserve some of that Italian parsley for later. Then we're going to come back with our breadcrumbs, Italian preferably. A nice little light layer on top, just like that. Get to the edges. There we go. And remember I told you put that stick of butter in the freezer? Well, I'm going to show you why right now. We're going to grate it like cheese. That's right. It's the best way to spread butter on top of a dish, rather than a lot of people you'll see just cut little pieces and spread them out. This way, you can actually spread it just like cheese you would right on top. Spreads easy. Little trick I learned years ago. So once we get all that butter that we needed grated, we're going to come back, spread that over the top, and then it'll be time to throw this in the oven. And we're going to bake this at 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. Shrimp, you don't want to overcook, that's for sure. So let's spread our butter on, just like we did grated cheese. Look how easy that is to get a nice even coating of butter on top. I'm telling you, this dish is so flavorful and tasty, and it's simple to make. Your family's going to be asking you to make it every day. That's how good it is. It's great for holidays, for parties. You can double, triple the recipe and do a huge pan of this in less than 30 minutes. It's perfect. So we put it in the oven, and with the magic of editing, it's already done, and we'll pull it out, serve it up, and you are ready. Enjoy this dish, a classic Vegas dish that no longer exists because the restaurant's gone, but you can make it at home. That's the beauty part. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. And remember, every Sunday, every Wednesday, new videos.
Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to a classic Las Vegas appetizer that was served nightly at the famous Villa d'Este. Back in the 1970s, mob bosses, celebrities, and Vegas high rollers all came here for this incredible dish. Today, I'm showing you how to make it right at home, so stick around and let's get cooking. You'll need 1.5 pounds of large shrimp, about 12 to 16 per pound, peeled, cleaned, and the shells removed. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup melted butter, a few tablespoons of sherry wine, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Lightly coat an 8 bacon dish with a little olive oil. Then pour in the butter, sherry, and garlic mixture, spreading it evenly across the bottom.